Yeah, I'm Sylvester King, Azimuth. Zelela Bamzala, the king never died. Ayo, Black Dweezer, I got you. The stoner, now when you're born, ayo, I see, I see.
Ayo, this is a dedication track, you know. This track is dedicated to you, my babe. I really, really love you, babe. Yeah, without you, I'm nothing. But with you, I'm something, you know. The love I have for you is unconditional. I can't control it.
Don't play my mind. The young time, the sun by some, so the night lang lang. For nothing this is so for nothing in the now. Then I bang the shut down. Kiss you, yeah, me dad. Better away now. He turned away now.
Balelele ncwadi ngenhliziyo ebuhlungu ngifuna ukwazisa how I feel about you. Ngithi mase ngicabanga ngawe ngivele ndehlelwa zinyembezi zovuka anovuye ngicela usunjongisise unjonge kahle ungajahi. The love I have for you is unconditional. Ever since you came in my life you changed many things. Baby ngicela uzunimamelisise xa ngisithi ndiyekuthanda I really mean it. Ndinemincili ngawe ndiyazidla ngawe anovuyo.
Ndanomuntu ndizokushadela eDubai. Ududano lona libone kodwa mna ndibona wena. Wathi abangani bamaqondi kodwa mna ndikholwa wena. Bazokhuluma bayeke mina ndizofela wena. Kazinaki inkulumo zabantu mina ndifuna wena. Dali enhlizweni yami kuduma wena. Vele undibuke emehlweni ngoba ndizoshada wena. Ayi uBlack Dweezer.
Ngithandile cela uhlezi nami ngithandile kanti kumele ngenzeni uzubona manekuthanda andiqamela manga lanabantu ngizokushada.
Yeah, I'm Sylvester King, Azimuth. Zelela Bamzala, the king never died. Ayo, Black Dweezer, I got you. The stoner, now when you're born, ayo, I see, I see.
Ayo, this is a dedication track, you know. This track is dedicated to you, my babe. I really, really love you, babe. Yeah, without you, I'm nothing. But with you,